Hi friends! So I would like to begin with a story today. It happened so that there was a person, Indian person, who was traveling from Germany back to India. So while traveling, he was just having a chit chat with his co-passenger, and his co-passenger was just curious to know, like, how did he find Deutschland and how was his tour. And he asked him, like, how did you find Germany and how was your experience there? How long did you stay? That person in the first go, he just mentioned it was terrible. And this co-passenger was just shocked, like, how can be the tour in Germany be so terrible? And then he started that I stayed in this hotel and they gave me a room number 100 where I stayed. Okay, the next day the number 1 dropped down. So for like the people who understood it well and good, for those who didn't understand, the washrooms in Germany are usually numbered as 00. Anyways, so we'll begin with our lesson today. In this lesson, I'll be introducing you to the numbers from 0 to 20. So those who are new here, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family members. On this channel, I give free coaching for German language. And let's begin with the numbers now. In German, the numbers are called as die Zahlen, that is the plural, and the singular is die Zahl. Here goes the first one. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The pronunciation of this word is fear, as the alphabet V of English is V in German. It is pronounced as F. The alphabet V is pronounced as F. So it becomes fear. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 10. 11, 12. The numbers from 13 to 19 are very easy and they follow a simple technique. Let's see how to write number 13 in German. So here we take the number which is in the units place and then we add 10 to it. That becomes 3 and 10. So the entire word is 13, which means 13. You can guess the next one. Yes, you're absolutely correct. It's 14. Then you have 15. While writing 16 in German, you have to skip the S which comes at the last of the word sechs. So it becomes 16. Similarly, while writing 17, you have to skip AN, that is EN of English, at the end of sieben. So the number becomes 17, 18. Yes, it is 19. And 20 is 20. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. In the next lesson, I'll be coming up with the numbers from 21 and so on till 100. So stay tuned and watch Sprich mal Deutsch.